Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a quick look at this little hog ring plier set that I picked up, and it's perfect for me, but it may not be perfect for everybody, so let me explain to you why. It comes with the hog ring pliers and a whole bunch of hog rings in a bag like this. They look like that guy here, and then you have the nice little grips on there. It's spring loaded. There's your jaws. So the thing just slides in. Something like that. You give it a squeeze and it wraps around. So I bought this specifically for doing the seat covers on my Corvette. So for me this is perfect because I'm probably only going to use these one time. One project, and who knows when I'm going to need to use these again. If you're in a situation where you use these for a living or you're going to be using it all the time, you probably want a different set because no one's going to confuse this for the best made hog ring pliers ever. They'll work, they'll get a project done, and that's all I needed them for. It comes with all the hog rings. It's a nice little pickup if you're going to be doing something like I am with the seat covers, and I just need it once. Thanks for watching, guys.